Are you interested in scalping? Do you want to cover the small points in Nifty and Bank Nifty that will help you to cover all your daily expenses? But you are scared of losing the money because you don't know how to read the price action the right way. You are not confident enough to take the trades without any problems. So stay tuned. In the coming live trading session, I will share how to build the conviction in your trades and how to build the right bias based on the trend of the day and how to read the price action correctly. But watch the complete video, and I'm sure that it will help you and will clear all your doubts to take the trades with ease. Catch you in the video.
Hello everyone, it is 12:55 and I'm looking for a trade, for a scalp trade. And I think Nifty is about to give me a good trade. I've been waiting for a right pattern to form on Nifty. Somehow I do have a positive bias today because since the markets have opened, they've been continuously moving to the upside. So I don't want to take any short side trade today. And I think 15 minutes is forming something good here. If prices continue to move up, probably we'll get a buy setup on the 2 minutes. I think one reason that why the Nifty is not able to move up is because of this hourly chart where prices have reached to this resistance area and is about to touch this downward sloping 20 MA. So this is one thing which is not letting the prices to move up. Otherwise, since opening, prices have been, very smoothly moved up. There were a couple of places on 2 minute chart to, take the good scalp trades. So we have this one breakout level here, which was a very good area. We have this 180 reversal bar here. So there were few instances, but now after this pullback, I'm just waiting for the another opportunity to go long. No signs of weakness as I can see today. Prices are quite strong, and they have taken support at the 17,800 level, at this round number 17,800, and they've been just kept moving up. So it seems that buyers are quite confident about the 17,800 level. They believe that prices may not move down from here. Trading is about being patient, and we have to patiently wait for the right pattern. See how this bar is forming on 2 minute. It was till here it is, complete red bar, but some buying is also coming there. Can you see this bar? It's coming down as a complete red bar and then it just moves back up. It seems that both buyers and sellers are quite aggressive at this level. Although it formed as a W pattern, we can see it's a kind of W pattern here, but both the bottoms are very close to each other, so that makes it not a very reliable pattern. If it has little bit far away from each other, that gives it more strength. That gives it long, a bigger base, and that is what is we require as a pattern traders. So I think it looks like that it is buying is there. Just patiently waiting for the right pattern. And this is strictly for the scalping trades because we know that in the bigger pictures, in the higher time frames, we are in a downtrend. I think prices are ready to move back up, and I should take a trade at this point in time. So I'll go with this 18,200 and I will just buy it at market. Okay, so I have taken a trade and I have taken the trade at this bar here. So the reason that I have this long bias is mainly because if you can see the 15-minute is quite strong and we have a good void to the upside, at least up until this resistance area. So I think we should not get trapped into the downside. Daily is also quite bullish today. We are seeing a kind of 180 reversal. My only concern as of now is this 60-minute, wherein the prices, since morning they have been moving up, but now they're about to touch this declining 20 MA, and 20 MA on 60-minute is a powerful moving average as far as that the intraday trade is concerned. So let's just wait and watch. We are into the trade. Let's see how far it goes. My target is this area because this is just a scalping trade. So perhaps I would close the trade somewhere here at 18,000 level because 18,000 is also a round number. You might hear some background noises today. So I'm in home. I'm not trading from my home. So, okay. Let's see how much strength does it have. So we have seen this bar, which was, at one point in time a complete red bar, but then prices just reversed back from here So buyers came in from this, bar here. So some of the, traders who shorted at this big red bar perhaps would have got trapped. So since morning, I do not have the short bias today. Even I have not shorted the market when this decline was there, because I would really like to go with my bias. If prices doesn't work out, so my plan is that below the low of this candle, this red bar here at somewhere 17,980, below this level, I'll close the trade. On the upside, I have 18,000. So let's see how it goes to the 18,000 level. That would decide, a lot for the trading decision. Excuse me for my background noises today. So 18,000 is there. Perhaps I should check it once. So far, it's going good. So 18,000 is here. Let me just close it at the market. It's closed. So I have closed this trade. So this was more like a kind of a demonstration trading that I have done, just to show you that how do I build up my bias, and a lot of things depend upon how the prices opened in the morning, what they've been doing since then. So I have seen that prices were quite strong today, even though on the higher time frames we are in a downtrend, but today is the day when prices are showing good upside momentum. And so, which is why I have not taken any contra trade, just because the higher time frames are showing a different picture. So prices on the 15-minute charts look strong.